And let us go to Vaibhav. And Vaibhav, any comments on regulatory?
So, we see regulatory as more incentive to create non-linear growth.
Non-linear growth.
And I'll come to why we say that. The regulatory piece is just building credibility. And credibility is required to be built for products, for organization, for industry associations, and for government, right?
Wow.
And how do you build that credibility? At each of these steps will determine how we are going to kind of grow. And I agree on, totally on harmonization, because it is playing into this non-linearization, which is faster acceptance, faster capital formation hence. And the second piece of regulatory, which probably Rohit touched upon a little bit, is faster idea formation. You want talent to come here. You want those products to be developed faster. You want the iteration to be done faster. That's how we see the regulatory in a broader context.
Rohit, you have invested in GenWorks, in Cyrix, in Krishna Diagnostics, so many companies. You are the first investor who has told me, or a colleague who has told me, that you see regulatory as the source of non-linear growth, because regulatory and other predictability, etc., will raise the trust in your market. And you need trust in your market. You also need credible industry, and wonderful. In fact, I'm reminded of Immanuel Kant. Immanuel Kant said that sometimes the birds which are flying very fast, they think that we can go faster if there was no air. But actually they don't realize if there was no air, they will fall to the ground, because it is air pressure which is keeping them afloat. Yeah. So wonderful, sir. ये आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा ये वाला point. Am I right, sir?
And I'll just add, one more parallel here. I mean, if you look at the credibility that we have developed in IT, right? The work that NASSCOM has done, right? There is enough and more opportunity in MedTech to do the same, right? And that credibility again rests at products, organization, industry associations. So we have our road laid out.
Wonderful, superb point. Products, organizations, and industry. Superb.